Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 7, and that we'll see exercise 4.6. So it says that express the following rational numbers as decimals. So this is 17 by 5. So we want in decimals. So what will you do? 17 divided by 5. So 5 threes are 15. So the remainder is 2. So if we put here 1 0, so that will be a decimal over here. 5 fours are 20. So that should be 3.4. Same for here. 7 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. So the remainder is 1. So we put a 0. So that will be 2 fives are 10. So that will be 3.5. Here. So this minus will keep as it is. Let us concentrate on this 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 1, then 0. So that there will be one decimal. 4 twos are 8. Again, there is a remainder 0. So we can put here 1 0. So that will be 1.25. So now look at here. Here in this one, the numerator was bigger, so that was a proper one. So, sorry, this was an improper one, and this is a proper one. So here, 21 divided by 50. So what will you do? Here you are going to put, because 21 is a smaller number, you are going to put here 1 0. So here we have added 1 0. So here will be 0 point. So it will be 50 fours are 200. Here will be again 50 twos are 100. So that is 0.42, and this is minus same as it. Same here. Now 4 divided by 9. Put 1 0. So 0.4. This is 36. This is again 4 0. 4 36. 4 0 4 36. So what happens here? You can see this again. There is a remainder is 4. So 4 keeps on repeating. So we will put we'll put a above this 4, we'll put this one. So that is called the repeating digit. Same now for 1 by 7, 1 divided by 7. So what you can see, just concentrate here. 7, 0 point. So this will be 7 ones are 7. So this will be 3. 7 fours are 28. So here will be 2. 7 twos are 14. Here will be 6. 7 eights are 56. Again here is 4. So 7 fives are 35. Again this is 5. So 7 sevens are 49. And here the remainder is 1. So what you can see here, this is also here, the remainder is 1. And this also was, here was 1. So again the trend will go on. So this whole thing we are going to put a 0. So this will be 0.7. Here will be 3. 2s are 22. So this is going to be, again what happens here, now you can see here, this keeps on repeating. So what 7 to 7 to keeps on repeating. So we are going to put for the repeating digit for 7 and 2, we are going to put a bar over here. Now 6 by 15. So this is going to be 0.4. Now without actual division, find out which of the following will have a terminating or a non-terminating repeating decimal representation. So terminating and this one, so you know this is the rational number because this is in the form of P by Q. So what you are going to see, we are going to see this Q, that is the denominator, should have either 2, 5 or both of them, or both, that is 2s and 5s when we take the factors of it. So let us see for this 95. The prime factors of denominator, that is 95, we have 5 and 19. So we don't have both, but we have 5 over here. So 5 is the only prime number in the denominator. So as I told you earlier, that it should be 2, 5, or it can be both of them. So if it is there, that will be a terminating decimal. So we can say 38 by 95 will have terminating decimal. Again, here we are going to see for 64. So you can see these are the factors. So 2 is the only prime factor, so it will be again a terminating decimal. Here you can see this is 3 and 3. We don't have either 2, 5. So we can say since denominator has prime numbers other than 2 and 5, so it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Here again 11, so that will be 1 and 11 only. So that is also going to be a non-terminating decimal because we don't have 2s and 5s. Here we have both of them, 2 and 5. So it is a terminating decimal. Again here we have 3 and 5. So we have 5 over here. So that will be a terminating decimal. Again here 50. So 2, 5 and 5, these are the factors of it. If you don't know, we can just check like this, the help of the prime factorization method. 5 ones are. So we can see the factors here, 2, 5, 5. Again for 21, 3 and 7. So here we don't have 2 and 5, so that will be a non-terminating repeating decimal. Express the following decimal numbers as rational numbers. Now see here, it is 0.4. So whenever we have after point there is a one number, so we are going to divide it by 10. If there are two numbers after the decimal, we are going to divide it by 100 and so on. So what will you do? 4 divided by 10. So now which we can further simplify this one, 4 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. So that is going to be 2 by 5. Now for this one, we can do this after point, there are 3 numbers. So we can write this number as it is and we are going to divide it by, because 1, 2, 3. So that is going to be divided by 1000. So we are going to simplify it further. Now, since this is a big number, you might get confused with which number to simplify. So you know, whenever we have to make it to the simplest form, we take the HCF of it. So you will take to find out the HCF, what will you do? You are going to find the factors of this one as well as the factors of, I'll just show you one. That will be 2 ones are, 2 5s are, and this is going to be 501 will be as it is. That will be 1 times the same. So 1 into 501 is going to be 501. So this is going to be, the factors are going to be 2 into, sorry, here you will write here. This will be 500 and 501 will be 500 and, sorry, 2 ones are 200. So this will be 2 times 501 and will be 501 ones are, that is going to be the same. And for this 1000 we are going to write here 2 5s are, 2 250s are, 2 125s are, and this is going to be 525, 55 and 51. So what we can see here, HCF means we take only the common ones. So here we don't have 500. So 2 into 2, that is going to be 4. So what will you do? 2004 divided by 4 and 1000 divided by 4, which is going to be 501 divided by 250. So now you can see this is an improper fraction. So you have to make it to mixed fraction. So 501 divided by 250. So this is going to be 500. So this, the remainder is 1. 2 integer 1 by 250. So this minus will be as it is. Now here 625, after decimal there are 3 numbers. So you're going to put here 3, means it is going to get divided by 1000. Again you are going to take for this one, as you will take the HCF of these 2 numbers. So that is going to be, HCF is going to be 125 to make it to the lowest term. So this will be 625 divided by 125, that is going to be 5. 1000 divided by 125, that is going to be 8. So minus 5 by 8. Same here. There are 2 numbers here. So you are going to divide it by 100. So this is going to be 317 divided by 100. 100 3s are 300. And this is going to be 17. So 3 integers, 17 by 100. This minus sign as it is. Again here, 2 numbers means we are going to divide it by 100. So now this can be divided by 2 to make it to lowest term. So that is going to be, this also will be divided by 2. So that will be 299 divided by 50. So this is an improper fraction. So let us make it to mixed fraction. Same here, after this there are 4 numbers, so we are going to divide it by 10,000. This number we'll take and divide it by 10,000. So the HCF of this is going to be, you can check the HCF which I showed you earlier with that method. So that is going to be 125. So this should be divided by 125, and this was 125. So 125, that will be the multiplied by 27 will be 3375, and this will be 80. When you divide this, you get 80. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.